This is a wonderful meal.
I'm never gonna forget it, ever.
I'm having the best time of my life.
Of course.
Who the fuck are you?
Hi, I'm Kim Reedy. You're coming with me. You can't stop me.
But little did Kimru Kid know that when Chart drinks a Carlsberg, he becomes Captain Carlsberg!
Oh no, not Captain Carlsberg.
Get your hands off my hoe.
Women and children